Hey guys, this is TJ over here at Frost GM. Today, I got something special. This is a 2022 CLS53 Coupe. And guess what? Only has 46,000 kilometers. Our mechanics will be professionally doing a safety certification on this car, so you do not have to worry about anything, right? This has a special matte white paint, and this is straight from the factory. And you can even see you have a lot of touches of carbon fiber on the outside and even on the inside. Now, one of the best things about this car is that it's an AMG. And with an AMG, you have to have some power under the hood. So this one is spec'd with the 6-cylinder turbocharged engine. Come and take a look at the inside. Yep, you got the red interior. Now, who doesn't like red interior? Not only that, but it's spec'd with heated and ventilated seats, memory seats. You got lots of technology, blind spot sensor, reverse camera, all the specs. Trust me, this is one you want to come see in person. And if you're ready, call me here at Frost GM. My phone number is 647-355-9884. I'll see you soon.